150 million people have been killed since 2007 when Bernie voted to exempt the gun manufacturers from liability. More than all the wars, including Vietnam, from that point on. Carnage on our street. And I want to tell you, if I'm elected and I'm coming for you and gun manufacturers, I'm going to take you on and I'm going to beat you. I'm the only one who's done it.
150 million people have been killed since 2007.
150 million people have been killed since 2007.
Who came and got you a week before Christmas, huh? Who came and rescued you? Who came and rescued you a week before Christmas? Oh, yeah, that's right. Yeah, Mr. Retard right here. Your retarded daddy did. Yep, sure did. Now you got the good life, you're getting fat, home-cooked meals. It's like, yeah, whatever. I'm used to it.